What's up, guys? Crazy Black 108 here, and I'm back with another video. Today, guys, like I told you, September would have some different content in it, and this is the content.
Man, I must really like making myself look like an idiot. So as you can see, we're in March, and further to say, let's get into this video that was filmed in September of last year, because you guys insist that I give you this old content before I give you the new stuff. See you on the other side.
Like I'm in the daily shows.
So if you guys like it, please like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. Give me feedback in the comments on what you don't like as well too, because I'll kind of try to work to improve that as we continue to do some stuff like this. But yeah, I got tons of Yu-Gi-Oh cards to open up. And today, what we're going to be opening is the Yu-Gi-Oh! Power of the Elements booster packs. Now, Power of the Elements deals with the Elemental Heroes, which is a card architect type that I've always really loved because I love Yu-Gi-Oh! GX growing up. And the deck that I still mostly duel with is a hero deck. And so with that being the case, today I'm finally going to actually work at, doing this and making it all kind of become something that you guys may like. So yeah, starting with that, I want to show some of the cool things that have come out with this set. One of those things being this game mat. So this is a Elemental Hero game mat. There's a Elemental Hero 9 dual pocket or duelist portfolio, which is basically just like a binder for your cards, which is pretty dope. And they got sleeves, man. So like, they got a whole bunch of cool stuff. And yeah, this has, the artwork from Miracle Fusion on here. So, pulling this out, guys, get my first look at this. I already like this a lot because I love the Elemental Heroes, man. Look at that. That is super clean. Hopefully, the second angle's doing it justice. Although I will say I did, put on like the little bit of a tighter lens setting, so maybe not. So maybe we'll get some nice B-roll to throw in here. We don't know for certain, but we'll find out. So that's super dope. And while we're at it, might as well open up one of these duels portfolios so you guys can see this too. These things are just really nice, pretty cool. It's got the H for the heroes on here. And then yeah, you have all your different individual sleeves here as well too, which is nice. You could just buy a binder and put card, holders in it, but there's just something cool about these, and I like once you get them filled up. And yeah, so okay, Power of the Elements. So we have about 20 packs here that are going to be opening up today, guys. It's the equivalent to almost like a booster box, I think, right? It's about 24 packs. So we're going to open this up and see what we get inside here today. And yeah, also, in case you don't know, when you open up Yu-Gi-Oh cards, the first thing you gotta do. Yes, that's a childhood nostalgic smell right there. Some might call that crack. I'm gonna call it crack. So let's see what we got here. The Most Distant, Deepest Depths. This is a Fish Synchro Monster field spell card. I don't really care. Amaze, Attraction, Thrill Train. Okay. Sprite Smashers. Digit Jamming. Elemental Hero, Spirit of Neos. Okay. Wow, so what's this card do? When an opponent's monster declares an attack, you can special summon this card from your hand in defense position. And if you do, it cannot be destroyed by battle. This card is special summon. You can add from your deck to your hand one polymerization or spell or trap card that mentions the Elemental Hero Neos monster's card name. During your main phase, you can shuffle this card into your deck, and if you do, special summon one Elemental Hero normal monster from your deck. You can only use the effective Elemental Hero. You can only use each effective Elemental Hero Spirit of Neos once per turn. That's pretty dope. Okay, so that's awesome. We're gonna put that right there. Melfi Peony or Melfi Milfi. That's another thing, guys, too. I'm gonna pronounce card names wrong. I pronounce regular English words wrong. Okay, so let's just remember that. And this is an English word too. I get it, but like you get what I'm saying. Carrying the Hidden Gem of the Seafront, Branded in the Central, Dogmatica, and then Sprite Red. Okay, cool. So bunch of cards there. Spirit of Neos over here. Let's go ahead and open these up as well. Okay, you have Vernishimp of the Flowering Fields. Okay. Crawler Soma. Okay, it looks like a kind of cool card. It's an insect card. Hydraland Orbit. Ice Jade Creation. Egregios Cassis. Alright, Aqua Tuner. Austria the Earth Channeler. That looks like one of those, I forget what card type it is, but she's a spellcaster. Pretty cool looking card, holographic, I kind of like that. Sprite Pixies, Tearlaments, Merly, Melfi, Pliny, minus Elephant. Okay, cool. Well, that's those cards. Put that over here. All right, so you have Ravenous Vendread, Gadget Gamer, Sprite Gamma Burst, Life Extreme. That looks like, is that a Synchro monster card that's from 5Ds? It looks like it, I'm not sure. Sacred Claw Straddle. That looks kind of cool. I'm not sure what that is. Gaudy Chain, Terralements, Solink, and then Cover the Hidden Gem of Seafront, and Overfusion. That has Neos on it. So what's this card? Target one face-up monster from the field and reveal one Elemental Hero, Neospatian, or level 10 monster from your hand, deck, or extra deck, and the target monster's name can be treated as the revealed monster if used as a fusion material this turn. Send the revealed monster to the graveyard if you have Elemental Hero Neos on your field or in your graveyard. Otherwise, shuffle it back into its deck. If revealed from the hand, shuffle into the main deck. You only activate one Overfusion per turn. All right, pretty cool. Well, I'm going to put that over there because I care about that card. Let's see what's in here. The same bunny card of Flowering Fields. Morphtronic Telephon. Ravenous Vendread. That's the same card I just got. Vanguard of the Underground Emperor. Punk Jam Extreme Session. Huh, something about, I guess, punk archetype cards. Nightmare, the Dark Bonder. That same card as earlier. Notice one of the same cards earlier in Brandon and Central Dogmatica. Cool, awesome. Yay, gotta love that. All right, let's see what we got here. The most distance, the deepest depths. Oh, I just totally showed that we got Nurse here, Spirit of Neos, but that's dope. So we're just gonna put that there. Strike Smashers, Hydra Orbit, Gunkin, Sunship, sorry, Red. Again, Overfusion. Okay, cool. So we got, all right. So we're working towards a play set there. Okay, Scar the Vendread, Vernishwell the Thawing Mountains, Crosskeeper, Amaze, Attraction, Thrill Train, Therion Irregular. This card looks super dope. It's a machine effect card. You can target up to 3 of this monster type in your graveyard. Push some of them from your hand. Looks like a pretty cool card. Tournaments, Solink, the Gem of the Seafront, Overfusion again, and Sprite Pick. So I have a complete playset of Overfusion, but it's probably a real common card. So, like, I mean, does it really matter? Okay. Hydra Orbit, Vincent of Flowering Fields, Telephone, Ravenous Vendread, Rika Con. If you control a Rika monster, you can set one Rika spell or trap directly from your deck to your spell and trap card zone. You cannot, oh, this is a field spell. You cannot special summon monsters for the rest of the turn except plant, okay, I don't look here. Double Dust Tornado Twins, Nightmare, the Dark Bonder, and those cards, I've got more than a playset of them, I think, at this point. So a lot of commons and stuff. But, you know, hey, I mean, sometimes it is that way and it's not that big of a deal. You got Crosskeeper, Amaze Attraction, Thrill Train, Digit Jamming, Sprite Gamma Burst, Scatter Fusion. Oh, this is like a card for the gems. Remind me of like for Jesse. Oh yeah, so this is a Jesse continuous spell card. Okay, Rika Princess, Terrors of the Overroot, Tournament's Crime, and then Moki Adrift. That's actually funny. I like that card. I'm gonna put that there towards the top. Let's see what we got in this one. Hydroland Orbit, Terrellment's Havens, Mary Melfies. I don't know. This is a synchro card. So maybe they synchro summon this card with those other ones. And Major Attraction, Thrill Train. Ooh, another Elemental Hero, Spirit of Neos. I love that. So that's a complete playset of that card. There's another one of those cards, Wally, Sprite Red. All right, cool. It's pretty neat seeing like these different card types and being like, oh, okay, like this is, you know, where you can kind of go for it. Sprite Gamma Burst, the most distance, deepest depths, Sprite Smashers, Hydra in Orbit, Exo Sister Returnia. Interesting. This is a trap card that works with those cards. You know, another hollow. Another one of those, Mimesis Elephant, and then Rika Princess Plant. All right. So we're getting tons of commons, you know, here, but at the end of the day, it's not a bad thing per se. The Changing Season, Ice J Creation, another one of those fusions of that card, Crawler Soma, Ablaze the Ashen. Interesting, it's a dragon card effect. If this card becomes Fallen of the Ablaze while in the field or in graveyard when a level 8 Fallen of the Ablaze, I don't know what that goes with, but cool. Bam, man, thank you. Next pack. You have another one, that Synchro Monster, the Bunny, Crawler, the Showering Fields, Hydrolander, Obrit, Ika the Flame Buddy. Oh, cool. I wonder if that goes with Ablaze, the Ashen probably. I mean, fire. Looks like they kind of go together. Double Dust, Tornadoes, Hidden Gem, the Seafront, Tyrannosaurus Crane, Propla, Gandak. A bunch of cards that, like, again, don't really matter, but at the end of the day, sometimes you just got to get something in there and see what you got. All right. And, the thing is, see, look at this. You see, some might say this is because of how I just opened this pack, but I'm pretty sure that's not. That's quality control. That's not good. Morphtronic, Scannon, Gunkin Ship, Shari of Red, The Most Distant, Deepest Depths, Branded Expulsion. Ooh, E in Engage Neospace. And that has Uriah, Lord of Seer and Flames on there. That's cool. Send one Neospatial monster and one Elemental Hero monster from your hand and one from your deck to the graveyard. Special on one Neospatial monster or one level 5 or higher Elemental Hero monster from your deck. If you do, add one Polymerization from your deck or graveyard to your hand. If you special summon an Elemental Hero Neos by this effect, it gains 1,000 attack. Whoa. And you can special summon monsters from the extra deck except for fusion monsters. The turn you activate this card. You can only activate one Engaged Neospace per turn. I wonder if it keeps that 1,000 attack no matter what. That's dope. I love that. Yeah. Okay, cool. Well, on to another pack. Hydroland Orbit, Gunk, yep. Morphotronic, yep. I don't care. Yeah, okay, cool. Next set. And for the people that don't really care, I appreciate you. Life Extreme, yep. Rika Con, yep. I'm getting but oh, that's a new card. I haven't seen that one. That's a new card too, so let's talk about these. I don't care about fish cards. Oh, okay, they're both fish cards. I don't care. Mako Tsunami, I'm cool. I think that's what they did a duels pack of that recently. What's funny is that I bought one pack of that duels pack, and I just thought to myself, I'm like, oh yeah, I'll buy more packs. I'm not buying any more packs. I don't really care for any of the cards that are going to be in it. But, it is what it is. Gadget Gamer. Okay. Life Extreme. Flower Buds. Tronic Skin. Oh, and there's a Spirit of Neos. I mean, not Shiny Neos, but it'd be nice. Okay, cool. Well, our hunt is almost over because we're trying to get this, Neospatian card or this Shining, Neos, but I'm losing hope, if I'm being honest. Gadget Gamer, Scar the Vendread, Crosskeeper, Vanguard, Rika. Dang. Maybe I need my good luck charm. One of my good friends, Angelica, she has been with me when I recently opened up a pack of one of those Duelist, Legacy of the Duelist packs or whatever. I forget the name of them currently off the top of my head. Season 3. And I got a bunch of cards in there that I really wanted. And I was like, it's a good luck charm, And because then the same thing happened again too. They have a Target right now. They have these like little keychains that you can get, and they're blind packs, right? And then those keychains, the ones I wanted I wanted the Egyptian gods. So I bought 3 of them. Just bought 3 of them. So I'm like, we're gonna see if I can get them. I opened them up while she and some of my other friends were over for us to watch the show, and lo and behold, I got all 3 of the Egyptian gods. So I mean, she could, she could hear me right now somewhere. Send the force, send some luck, send the heart of the cards, whatever it is. I need it because I'm not getting what I need right now. Surprise Passers, Digital Jamming, Mortronic Earphone, Branded Explosion, Math Mech Circular. All right, cool, I guess. Yeah. Moki. I dig it just because it's a funny card. All right, 2 packs left. Can we do it? If not, booster box will be on the way, but we'll see. Digit Jamming, Life Extreme, Vanstra of Thawing Mountains, Sprite Gamma Burst, Exosister Returnia, Sprite Pixies, Gaudy Chain, Brilliant Rose, and then Pite Knight Arley. That's a cool one. That's a Link monster. So I got some new cards out of this pack at least. Like, I'll take that. But now we're down to the final pack. So Destiny Draw, Heart of the Cards, Hold Up the Faith. We'll see. But if not, again, I'll be back with opening up a booster box of this. I got a booster box of some other stuff to open up for you guys, though, but we'll see. Okay. No. Draco Utopia Aura. Well, this is a This is an ultra rare. I forget what the type of. I forget all the different like holographic types, but that's cool. I got something new at least. Gaudy chain, Moki Moki. Yeah, so no shining Neos, but that's okay because regardless of the fact that I didn't get shiny Neos, I got some other cards I wanted. I got a whole playset of Spirit of Neos, which is pretty cool, and I got a whole playset of Overfusion. I don't play Yu-Gi-Oh competitively anymore. I really only play with my buddy Jada, which you guys have seen in some videos I know here in the past. Definitely if you've watched any of the, well, watch that One Piece video we did together. But yeah, this is cool, man. Like, I'm grateful for being able to, find what I was able to find in these packs. But the prize has still not yet to be attained. So, with that being the case, I will see you guys around in a future video where I'm unboxing more Yu-Gi-Oh cards. Again, let me know what you think of, how the setup is. If you have any thoughts or comments on that at all, any feedback, I'm more than open to hearing it from you guys. I even wore my Slifer Red for Jaden, but it didn't work out. I mean, in some ways, I guess it did. Uriah, Loris, Tyrion, Flames, some of those monsters. I mean, it's pretty all right, man. It's pretty all right. But yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching. Until next time, peace. I'll catch you guys around later, and have a good day.